Hello? You look a little worried today. What happened?
Sir, when I speak English, people laugh at me. I feel shy. I feel my English is not good.
I understand. It hurts when people laugh. But remember, you are learning. Mistakes are normal.
Yes, sir, but when I talk, sometimes I forget words. My mind stops.
That is okay. Every English learner feels the same. You don't need big, difficult words. Use small and clear sentences. For example, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school.
Yes, sir, I can say that.
Good. Let's practice. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Very good. What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I eat breakfast.
Excellent. What do you do after breakfast?
I go to school. I study. I talk to my friends.
Great. See, you are speaking well. Tell me, why do you feel shy?
Because when I speak English, some classmates laugh. I feel nervous.
Listen to me. People laugh because they don't understand your courage. You speak a second language. They speak only one. You are learning something powerful.
Maybe, but I still feel scared.
Fear is normal, but you spoke clearly now. You used correct sentences. You are improving every day. Let's practice he/she forms. Listen. I play, he plays. I study, she studies. I go, he goes.
Okay, sir. He plays football. She studies English. He goes to school.
Perfect. What do you like to do after school?
I like to listen to music. I like to draw. I like to watch TV.
Good. What don't you like?
I don't like to wake up early. I don't like washing dishes.
Now, tell me honestly, do you want to speak English well?
Yes, sir. I want people to listen to me, not laugh.
And you will. Just remember, speak slowly, use small sentences, don't stop when you make a mistake. Practice every day, smile when you speak.
Yes, sir. When I speak slowly, I feel better.
Exactly. Slow English is good English. Repeat after me. I speak English every day. I am not afraid. I am improving.
I speak English every day. I am not afraid. I am improving.
Good. This is how you grow.
Thank you, sir. Now I feel more confident.
I am proud of you. Keep practicing, and one day people won't laugh, they will admire you. Listen, people might smile not because they are laughing at you, but because they find your effort cute, friendly, or brave. Many people smile when someone is learning a new language. It doesn't always mean something bad.
But, sir, sometimes I feel they laugh because I speak wrong.
It's okay to speak wrong. Mistakes are normal. Even native speakers make mistakes. The important thing is you are trying, and trying is brave.
But I feel shy. I don't want to talk sometimes.
Feeling shy is normal, but remember this. Every time you speak, you improve. Every mistake teaches you something. Confidence comes from practice, not perfection.
But their English is fast. Too fast.
Yes, of course. They have spoken English for many years. You have just started. You cannot compare. You are learning step by step, and that is enough. Don't stop speaking. Even small sentences are good. Speak slowly. Slow English is clear English. Ask people to repeat. Say, "Sorry, can you say that again?" Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. Focus on progress, not perfection. Confidence.
Confidence?
Yes, you already understand English. You already speak English. But you are afraid of people's reactions. When you feel scared, your words get stuck. When you relax, your English becomes better.
Maybe that is true.
It is true. Let me ask you, when you speak English alone, when you practice with me, do people laugh?
No, sir.
Exactly, because you are relaxed. You feel safe. When you feel safe, you speak well. So your problem is not English. Your problem is fear of being judged. And that fear is very common.
Sir, sometimes at night I think a lot. I think, why can't I speak like them? I feel like everyone is better than me.
That is not true. Everyone has a weakness. You are learning English. They cannot speak your language as well as you speak theirs. Think about that.
I never thought like that.
You should. You are already doing something many people are afraid to do, learning a second language. That is strong. From today, don't say, "My English is weak." Say, "My English is improving."
My English is improving.
Good. And don't say, "I am not good." Say, "I am learning."
I am learning.
See? You already sound more confident. Let me teach you something powerful today.
What is it, sir?
When people laugh, you think it means you are wrong. But sometimes people laugh because they don't understand your accent. They are surprised you are speaking English, or they simply don't know how to react. It does not always mean you are bad.
But, sir, it still hurts.
Of course, you are human. It is normal to feel hurt, but you must not let that pain stop you. Pain can be a lesson. Pain can make you stronger.
Sir, sometimes I want to hide. I don't want to speak at all. I think, better to stay quiet.
That is the trap. When you stay quiet, you protect yourself for a moment, but you lose a chance to grow.
Yes, I think I lose chance.
Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you move one step forward. Every time you stay silent, you move one step backward.
I didn't know that.
Learning is like walking. If you keep walking, one day you run. If you stop walking, you stay in the same place. Next time you feel shy or scared, do this. Take a small breath. Say one sentence only. Don't worry about grammar. Smile a little. Speak slowly.
Speak slowly?
Yes, slow English is clear English. People understand you better.
Sir, maybe I can try again. Maybe I can speak.
Not maybe. Say, "I will try."
I will try.
Good. That's the spirit. A secret.
A secret?
Yes, the people who become good at English are not the smartest. They are the ones who don't give up, even when they feel embarrassed.
So, not giving up is more important than being smart?
Exactly. English is not about being perfect. It's about being brave.
Sir, sometimes I feel like my mind becomes empty when people talk to me. I forget words.
That happens to everyone, even to me when I learn a new language. Do you know why your mind becomes empty?
Why, sir?
Because you are scared of judgment. When you think they will laugh, your brain freezes. But when you feel safe, your English flows.
Yes, I feel that.
Next time your mind becomes empty, Do this simple trick. Pause for 2 seconds. Breathe in. Start with a small, safe phrase like, let me think. 1 moment. How to say, then continue slowly.
So, I can say 1 moment?
Yes, this gives your brain time to catch the words, and people will respect you.
Sir, maybe I am not as bad as I think.
You are not bad. You are just learning. Don't punish yourself for learning.
I always compare myself to other people.
Stop comparing your chapter 1 to their chapter 20. You are at a different stage, and that is okay. Remember this. You don't need perfect English to be respected. You need confidence.
Confidence.
And confidence grows every time you speak, even if you make mistakes. Can I tell you something I see in you?
What do you see, sir?
I see a person who wants to learn, someone who cares, someone who tries. That is more important than speaking perfect English.
But, sir, people don't see that. They only see my mistakes.
That's because people look at the outside, but I look at the inside. And inside, you have courage.
Courage. I don't feel it.
Courage doesn't always feel big. Sometimes courage feels small. Sometimes courage is just one sentence. You speak even when you are scared.
Sir, sometimes I feel alone, like nobody understands how hard it is for me.
I understand. Learning English is not only grammar. It's emotion. It's fear. It's pressure. You feel shy, embarrassed, worried. That is heavy to carry.
Yes, very heavy.
But you don't have to carry it alone. I am here to help you step by step. Let me teach you a new way to think.
Okay, sir.
When someone laughs, instead of thinking, I am bad, think, I am learning.
So, change my thinking?
Yes,